We chose Kitome because we found that their floor plan suited our needs of what we wanted with our rural views, and we were able to adapt some of the layout to fit in with those needs. What we were looking for in a home design was large living and bedroom areas. We also wanted to make the most of our rural views and be able to fit and accommodate family when they're staying here. We found the design process quite easy and accommodating. We dealt with Rebecca from the Coffs Harbour office. We did make some internal changes. We moved a wall to make it a little bit more open for our needs and changed a couple of doors. We found that they were really easy to deal with making the changes, very accommodating, and we're really happy with the finished result.
I was very involved in the Kitome build process. Rebecca in Coffs Harbour actually helped us source a builder through Kitome's builder network. Once we assigned a builder, we found him to be very, very easy to deal with. He'd obviously built one of these homes before. We then were assigned Jane, who was in the Penrith office in Sydney. Jane handled all the delivery on site of all the building material, and Jane coordinated everything to the T. When on the day that Jane said they were going to arrive, they arrived. I was on site here predominantly 75% of the time to make sure everything was on site when it was there for Steve and to oversee the whole thing. It was very easy to deal with, though it was a pleasure.
My favourite part of the home is actually the master bedroom and the ensuite. It's really spacious, fits a king size bed, so it's great for a good night's sleep. I also love the kitchen, which we changed a little bit of the design from the original kit home, but it turned out beautiful.
Yeah, both of us, we highly recommend it.
Yeah, they were very easy to deal with. Everything ran really, really smoothly, and the end result is just exactly what we wanted, so yeah, very happy.